guys. I'll see you guys when I get inside the taxi. Today is very cloudy. Meet my friend Latifa. Wow. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is Monday morning. I was about to check my watch. It is Monday morning, and I'm going to visit my university schoolmate. She's in Turkey currently. I've not done my intro. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. It is this girl, it is that girl, Tamiza. I think there's no how I'm going to say my intro without being all playful, kind of. Yesterday night, I made my hair cornrow, which I'm loving. So we are rocking cornrow this week. I pray that's if I'm able to, withstand the pain because it's actually kind of tight. I'm just going to meet my university school mate just for us to hang out. Yeah, I'll just be taking you guys with me as usual because if you people are not here, if you people are not there, then what am I doing? What am I doing? I don't get. Maybe we go to a restaurant to eat something and take pictures, I guess. What I will have to do now is to take my shower. So I'll see you guys when I'm done with my makeup. So I will look cute for you guys. I will be out. That's it. Hey guys, I'm done with my makeup and I'll be on my way very soon. So I just came on here to show you guys how do I look. How do I look? Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get inside the taxi. Yeah, bye. So I'm inside the taxi. I don't know. Today is very cloudy. It's a cloudy day. It's a cloudy day. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey guys. Meet my friend Latifa.
Hi, fans.
Give it to them. Yeah.
Ya. Keşke. Montaja gerek yoktu.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Hey girl. Wow. Yeah, same.
Same, okay.
Yes. God, shooting gun is very scary.
You are a bad shooter. One,
Oh, te shoot man here.
3, 4.
This man has killed me already.
Yes, now
How
it's
to
better.
try?
1, 2,
2, 3.
3, 4, 5. Instant.
You've killed the
5
man
plus on
already.
the hat.
On the face.
Very good.
Oh, mother, real.
Let's choose.
I murdered this man. But as I was shooting, something was coming.
Coming back, I was scared that I was even going to eat my eyes.
Okay, continue or finished?
Finish.
Me, continue.
You want to continue? Okay. Yeah, I'm telling you. The pictures are. Hey, small girl. We are going to look for Jorum. Abi Jorum. We are going to look for. Try the Jorum. Have you eaten it before? Have you eaten their Turkish food before?
Yeah.
Do you like the Turkish food?
Not bad.
Which one did you eat?
I don't even know the name.
The only thing I like in Turkish is their rice.
It should be my own. Only chicken.
You don't like meat?
Not like I don't like meat. Just like chicken. Oh, this gun is so heavy. Do you know that? Ah, do you know I don't know that guns are this heavy?
You know.
It's good to try new things. So
Yeah.
before I say, if it's like not try it, you will not know that okay, this is how it feels. I swear.
Said, okay, thank you. So it wasn't worth it.
Let me try this one.
Okay. Maybe because you don't like beef. Beef. Same. Bad. I don't just like that though.
What's rabbit?
Hey guys, we've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification so you'll be notified once I drop another video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay awesome, and most importantly, always be the best of yourself. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.